Good morning, all of you. Today, we are going to discuss about the business intelligence and its applications. Myself, Gautam Kumar. What are the learning objectives and what are the learning outcomes of the session? Today, we will discuss to understanding the business intelligence. What is the business intelligence? What is the acronym BI? What are the other terms for the business intelligence? And the meaning of business intelligence and business intelligence definition. And after discussing these topics, what will be the outcomes? We are able to understand why business intelligence is important, and we are able to understand the need of business intelligence at all levels. First of all, we will discuss what is the business intelligence definition and the concept. Business intelligence is a set of ideas, methodologies, processes, architectures, and technologies that change raw data into significant and useful data for business purpose. Business intelligence can handle large amount of data to help identify and evolve new opportunities for the business. Making use of these new opportunities and applying a productive scheme on it, we can provide a comparable market benefit and long-term stability. Business intelligence technologies provide chronicle, urgent, and predictive view of business operations. Common functions of enterprise intelligence technologies are reporting, online analytical processing, analytics, data execution, process execution, business performance management, benchmarking, tax mining, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. What is the definition of business intelligence? Howard Resner of the Gartner Group in 1989 coined the term business intelligence. First of all, the word yet term business intelligence was used in 1989 by the Howard Resner, and he defined the business intelligence as a set of concepts and methodologies to improve decision making in business through use of and fact-based system. The goal of business intelligence is improve decision making. Yes, decisions were made earlier too without business intelligence. It is not business intelligence is the only process in which we are going to make the decision. Decisions were making earlier without the business intelligence, but business intelligence gives some powerful mechanism to predict the future, to analyze the present, and to know the past. About the business, the use of business intelligence should lead to improved decision making. BI is more than just technologies. It is a group of concepts and methodology. There are many methodologies and groups which are grouped into single unit, which makes the business intelligence, and by using the business intelligence we can improve decision making process to run an organization or a business. It is fact-based decisions are no longer made on gut feeling or purely on hunch. It has to be backed by facts. It is purely based on the facts. We need some data, and on the basis of data we analysis, we get the information, and after getting the information we get the knowledge, and by applying that knowledge we can make the decisions more perfectly. So there are some other names, or there are some other terms which are related to the business intelligence. The first one is reporting. When we are creating reports, we are generating some reports for different person, for different purpose. Because in an organization and business, they are different level. For different person, different level needs the different reporting. So we can say reporting is also a business intelligence. Another is decision support system. DSS is also a system. It is a part, or it is a type of information system, and we generate some information by using the decision support system, and it will help us to make some decisions after creating a report. And business analytics is also a term which is used for the business intelligence, business insights, business investment, and competitive intelligence. These are the different or other names or related to the related name to the business intelligence. Why we need a business intelligence? Why there is a business intelligence? We can understand by these slides what happened. Why did it happen? To know the past. If we have a data and we can find what happened and why it did happen, we can know the past. What is the past? What was the past of that organization? What is happening? Why it is happening? If we know these two things, we can analyze the person, and what will happen? It will help us to predict the future. What drives the desire of a BI program? We were led to believe that proper business intelligence can lead to. These are some points. By using the BI, we can lead to these beliefs, and we can achieve these points. The first one is increase the profitability. So, for example, according to a financial consultant, in an I'm just taking an example. In a typical retail bank portfolio, 20% of the accounts contributes profit equaling 20% of the overall return, whereas more than half of the accounts generate losses. Business intelligence can help business clients to evaluate customer lifetime value and short-term profitability expectations, and to use the knowledge to distinguish between profitable and non-profitable customers. So we can increase the profitability if we know where we are getting the loss and where we are getting the profit. If we know that thing, we can increase the profitability. Like for example, you can take any other example. Uh, you have your own shop, and you know on which product I am getting the more profit and on which product I am getting the loss, because there are some product which have a very short lifespan. After that they are expired. If the persons are not buying these product within that time period, you have to face the losses. So it will increase the profitability if you know where I'm getting the loss, where I'm getting the profit. And it will also help in decreasing the cost, because whether it is improved logistics management, it will improve the logistics management, because we have the data and we can generate the information on the base of that data, where we by how we can reduce the cost for the logistics, how we can reduce the cost for the warehousing and delivery cost. So it will help in decreasing cost as well as over a decreasing of the investment required to make sales, because for making a sales we have to maintain the logistics facilities, delivery facilities, and warehousing or storage of the products. So overall it will decrease the investment required to make the sales. Business intelligence can be used to help evaluate organizational cost, and it will improve customer relationship management. This is basically a business intelligence application that applies the analytics of aggregate customer information to provide improved customer service responsiveness, to discover cross-sell and upsell opportunities, and to increase overall customer loyalty. Uh, you all are using the online shopping systems, and this will give you the products according to your previously chosen product during your online shopping. So they are predicting, they are making a different uh, list of products for you only on the basis of your choices during the online uh, sales or online purchase on the e-commerce websites. So it will improve the customer relationship management. And the fourth point is decreased risk. How it will decrease the risk? Applying business intelligence methods to credit data can improve credit risk analysis, whereas analyzing both supplier and consumer activities and reliability can provide insights into how to streamline the supply chain. In this slide, we are discussing what are the level of abstractions from data to the knowledge or intelligence, and what are the size of data. When we are talking about the data is a very huge amount of raw facts, and after processing the data we will get the useful information. The size of information is less than the processed data, and uh, on the basis of that information we can generate the business intelligence or knowledge. So size on x-axis, it is showing the size of data, and the size of data is decreasing when the level of abstraction is increasing. First of all, we have the data, and after processing the data we get information, and after getting the information we have the knowledge, and after applying that knowledge we have the actionable plan. For example, if we have to make, because in an organization there are different types of decision, like operational decision, tactical decision, and strategical decisions. So these decisions are made based on the knowledge or information which is generated by the information system from the large amount of data. So if we can understand the flow of business intelligence, first of all we have data. After processing that data we get information, and from that information we will uh, get the knowledge or intelligence, and after applying that knowledge or intelligence we can find the actionable plan, what we have to do in actual. We can simply understand these four steps in detail by this slide. First of all, we have raw data. After that, we have the meaningful information. After that, we have the knowledge discovery. And after that, beneficial insights. It means business intelligence. And we will find, after getting the business intelligence, we will find the impactful decisions. We can actually know what we have to do. We can find the impactful decisions after business beneficial insights or business intelligence, and it will lead to the business benefits. The overall success of business depends on the impactful decisions, and that impactful decision will be carried out from the beneficial insights or business intelligence. And to get the business intelligence, we have to process the raw data into the meaningful information, and from that information we have to discover the knowledge for the business intelligence. In an organization there are some levels, and according to these levels we have different type of decisions, and there are three decisions which we are going to discuss in this slide. First of all, we have the operational. After that, tactical and strategic. These are the different type of decisions, and the frequency of these decisions are there. It is from top to down increase. It means operational decisions are taken frequently, more frequently, on day to day, and tactical are less than the operational, and strategical are very less frequently we take the strategic decisions. And the impact of these on the business is increasing from top to bottom. So strategic decisions are having the more impact onto the business, and the frequency is less. So I will start from the bottom. Operational decisions are the decisions which we have to take day to day. These are the operational or administrative decisions. Tactical decisions are when we are facing some issue, and after to resolve this issue we have to analysis the things, and it will taken by the business less frequently than operationals. But the strategic decisions are the more impactful. The whole business depends on the strategic decisions, and strategic decisions are taken very less. Because it, dep- it is the base of your business. Your strategy will lead your business to the success or to the unsuccess. So BI help to making the decision on all three levels: on operational level, on tactical level, and on strategic level. So we can conclude this after these slides. BI is fact-based decision making. It is based on facts, single version of truth. It will give you the single version of truth. It means it will give you no any other options. It will give you only single option. It means single version of truth that is needed to be followed. 360 degrees perspective on your business, and virtual team members on the same page. So we have discussed what is the BI, why we use the BI, what is the definition, and what are the different terms or different name related to the BI, and how it is important at all the levels of the organization. Thank you.